was hard to watch you go, but I had to accept it. I pray to God that you will find peace while you're resting. I know we never had much time to spend with each other, but time would never take away the fact that we're brothers. So I shed tears and couldn't find a smile for days, feeling down, but I know you wouldn't want me feeling this way. So I try to maintain and keep my head to the sky and be a shoulder for your family to lean on and cry. Your death was a surprise, many questioning why you had to suddenly just leave us without saying goodbye. It's a different kind of pain that I'm feeling inside. God don't gotta give a reason, though I'm asking him why. My big brother had to be the one for him to come and take. I'm knowing you're perfect, but I think you made a mistake. If I'ma forgive you for expressing that I'm feeling this way, I'll give anything just to get a little glimpse of your face. I miss you. That I could bring you back so we can chill and relax while conversating over TNC's high school stats. Take a cruise down memory lane and just drift, then get into harmonizing one of them old school hits. I wish you didn't have to leave and we had more time for you to witness all 5 of your girls grow up and shine. I wish I could rewind what's behind and tell you I love you every single time. Instead I'm here crying by my eye. Miss you and I just cannot express the pain that we're all feeling down deep in our chest. You may have left, but also we will never forget every second, minute, and hour a day that we spent. You will always be alive in our thoughts and hearts. So until the end of time, we will never be apart. We love you and we miss you, and that goes without a doubt. Till we meet again, it's your little brother signing out. I love you.